Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita and I bring useful tips and tricks that can help you take a step closer to the industry. In the previous episodes, I have been talking so much about how you can enhance your resumes using AI and then what are the learning courses that you can take to prepare for the TPM position. I have created so many videos on the roadmap to become a technical program manager, and today, I'm here to share an exciting opportunity with all of you. I'm sure you've already guessed that opportunity by the video title, but I would be sharing the whereabouts about what, how, and what you need to do if you want to apply for this particular position. But before that, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and like this video and drop a comment in the comment section below because you might just forget doing that later. Alright, let's dive into the topic about the position that is open in my team and what you can do if you are interested in applying for this particular position. By the way, I work for the search platforms team with Google. So this is not a team that is responsible for launching new features on the Google search platform, but we are the ones who actually build the foundation that makes Google search amazing for billions of users. So if you're excited to build products that impacts for billions of users, then this is a great opportunity for you. If you are someone who has worked on infrastructure projects in the past in the position of a project manager or a technical program manager, then this position is actually recommended or suitable for you. By the way, this position may not be suitable for those who don't have experience working as a technical program manager. The ideal bracket or the experience range for this particular role would be at least 5 years, which is the minimum, and it could be up to maximum of 10 years because this is a little bit of a senior role, and hence it's important to have experience working as a technical program manager in the past. Now you already know from my previous videos on what do technical program managers do, but let me just summarize that into 2 or 3 bullet points. Firstly, you will be governing the entire project, right from planning the roadmap of making the project successful to planning the execution strategy. You would be leading the project end to end. Now this particular role would involve partnering with different types of stakeholders, including different TPMs, product managers, and engineering stakeholders, and hence your experience or expertise working with cross-functional teams is a must have for this particular role. Thirdly, you will have a lot of stakeholders to deal with, so your ability to build in processes, resolve ambiguity, and streamline communications is very important for this particular role. So remember to highlight all these experiences in your resume so that you become one of the most suitable candidate for this particular position. And that's not it. I don't want to just leave this video sharing the news with you. Also, I want to make sure that my community has higher chances of getting shortlisted for this role. So if you need any help from me, right from reviewing your resumes to actually helping you with mock interviews, I'm happy to help you as long as you drop a comment in the comment section below, because that's the best place I would be able to track all your requests in a single page. So without delaying, apply for this role because there's always the benefit for the first few applicants. Hurry up and send your resumes if you want me to review those ASAP, or directly apply using the link that I have shared in the description below. Until the next video, take care. Bye-bye.